does it mean to be a person?
We humans are a fascinating species of animal.
Though rather narcissistic.
The study of humans across space and time has its own field.
Anthropology.
Etymology of the word is Greek.
Anthropos, meaning human, logos, being the study of.
Anthropology is a global discipline involving humanities, social science, and natural science.
It was in the late 19th century that anthropology became a separate academic discipline.
Do you think anthropologists observe chimpanzee in the wild as part of human evolution? If your answer is yes, then you are correct. In fact, one of the goals of anthropology is to comprehend the conduct of monkeys and gorilla in their regular settings, and also to comprehend the fossils record of early people.
To understand on how we adapt to different environments and how we vary as a species.
Anthropologists across subfields utilize points of view to direct their exploration.
Holism,
Comparison,
cultural relativism,
and fieldworks. Have you ever wondered how the world works? I'm not talking about atoms and molecules. I mean the world of people.
Sociology got its start thanks to a French philosopher named Auguste Comte, generally known as the father of sociology in 1800s.
It is a scientific investigation of human culture and social behavior. Sociology arose in the 19th century in response to the rapid social change.
Auguste Comte first coined the term sociology to describe a new way of thinking about societies, a system governed by principles of organization and change. It was according to Samuel Koenig that the ultimate goal of sociology is to improve man's adjustment to life by developing objective knowledge concerning social phenomenon which can be used to deal effectively with social problems.
The sociological perspective, which has been known as the sociological imagination, individuals see the world through the restricted insights of a little circle, family, and companion.
The sociological imagination permits us to stand separated intellectually from our restricted insight and see the connection between private concerns and social issues.
Political science is a social science discipline that deals with system of governance. The nature of political science is concerned with the theory and practice of politics and analysis of political system and political behavior.
Political science is an investigation of the state in the past, present, and future of the political organization and political cycles.
Aristotle plays a big role in the nature of political science. He is known as the father of political science. He composed the Politics, and he is well known for his assertion, man is a political animal.
One of the goals of political science is it is concerned with the process of growth, industrialization, and change, and the impact of government forms and policies.
Understanding anthropology, sociology, and political science is important because these disciplines helps us make sense of the world and our place in it. Anthropology explores human cultures and societies, past and present, giving us insight into how different people live and think. Sociology examines how societies function, how people interact within them, and how social structures influence behavior. Political science helps us understand how governments work, how power is distributed, and how political decisions impact our lives. Together, these fields equip us with the knowledge to navigate and contribute to the complex, diverse world we live in.